Animus, understanding deep-rooted hostility. Intense dislike, hostility, or ill will. These powerful emotions can shape relationships and influence decisions. Today, we're exploring a word that encapsulates these feelings. Animus. Word type: animus is a noun. Meaning, animus refers to a strong feeling of dislike, enmity, or animosity towards someone or something. It often implies a deep-seated or long-standing grudge or prejudice. Word history. The term animus comes from Latin, where it originally meant mind or spirit. Over time, its usage evolved to specifically denote a hostile or malevolent intention or spirit. Antonyms. Some opposites of animus include goodwill, benevolence, and amity. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to animus include hostility, animosity, enmity, antipathy, and antagonism. Examples used in sentences. The long-standing animus between the two neighboring countries has hindered any attempts at diplomatic resolution. Despite years of collaboration, a sudden animus developed between the research partners after a dispute over credit for their breakthrough discovery. The politician's speech was filled with animus towards his opponents, revealing the depth of the ideological divide in the parliament. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing animus with animosity. While they are similar, animus is typically more intense and deeply rooted. Another error is using animus to describe a mild dislike or disagreement, when it actually implies a much stronger feeling. Understanding and correctly using a word like animus can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam. It allows you to express complex ideas about relationships and conflicts with precision and sophistication. Remember, animus goes beyond simple dislike. It conveys a deep-seated, often long-term hostility that can profoundly affect interactions and decisions.